welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you that in case your customer complains that the flow is not working in the case of WhatsApp and the customer is replying to the flow correctly, but flow is restarting again or is randomly starting from anywhere. What you can do, what you need to check in this case. So let's get started in this video. First of all, the things that you need to check is when did the customer send you the message. For example, today is 16th of May and customer sends me a message over the WhatsApp, like on the WhatsApp bot, and I receive it. Okay, I will be able to see the message in this particular section. And a window of 24 hours will open here for the case of WhatsApp. Now, if that window have expired and customers message again to the incomplete flow, in that way, the flow will restart for that customer because the session has expired. Now, to avoid this problem, what you can do, you can set few things from your side. First thing that you can do is that you can send a template to the customer, and that template should include buttons. Like you from here for any WhatsApp bot, you will be able to create a template and you can send them that particular template. So when you will send that template to the customer, so each of the button will be connected with each of the flow. And once any of the customer will click on any of that button that you have sent, so it will be a clean conversation between the customer and the chatbot. This way, the customer will not complain that I'm not receiving the correct response, I'm not getting the correct answers. So this is one way you can solve this problem, but make sure that if the customer is replying you outside the session timeout, it will start a new session for that customer and the flow will restart. So this is how the current functionality works. All right. In case if you have any other query, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing this. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Thank you for watching this video.